Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today I have another FabFitFun unboxing video, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've been working with them for a few boxes now actually, and FabFitFun is my favorite subscription box service of all of them that I've ever tried. So I'm super happy to be working with them again in this video for the Spring 2018 box. I'm really excited to see what's inside the Spring 2018 box. It's just making me even happier that we're getting that much closer to some warm weather. And if you've never heard of FabFitFun before, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so you get 4 boxes per year, so it's like literally Christmas every single time you get one of the boxes. I've never been disappointed. Each of the boxes are $49.99 each, but they're all valued at over $200. And if you've never signed up for FabFitFun or ordered any of the boxes, then definitely use my coupon code. It is BRIT10. I will have it right here as well as listed in the description box below so that you can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Every single product in each of the FabFitFun boxes are always full-sized, which is another reason why it's my favorite subscription box service. And all of the products will either be a mix of wellness, fitness, lifestyle, beauty, or fashion products, so there's definitely something for everybody. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And let's go ahead and see what's inside the FabFitFun Spring 2018 box. As always, you will have a little magazine that kind of tells you about all the products that are inside your FabFitFun box, and it also will tell you about whatever company or organization they might be working with or supporting for that season. And this season, they are actually supporting Girl Rising. Girl Rising is a global campaign for girls' education and empowerment, so they help support girls staying in classrooms and actually getting an education worldwide. So that's amazing. The other thing on the top of the box is a gift card. This is $50 off your first 2 boxes at HelloFresh.com, and I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, so I think I'm gonna be using this really soon. So the first thing I see inside is a little pouch. It says Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. It's definitely jewelry, and oh my god, that's so cute. This is a bracelet. It's a little silver bracelet and it says love on it, and this retails for $65. That's so cute. I love this. Oh my god. Okay, this is adorable. So this looks like a sleep mask from Free People and Understated. So this is a vegan leather eye mask featuring a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. This retails for $40. It is seriously so cute. I love eye masks and like sleeping masks, and the colors are adorable. I love the stars. Stars are super trendy right now, and this is honestly just so cute. I can feel the little insert inside. I think it's like a gel pack. Ah, yeah. Okay, so this is what the insert looks like, and I guess you can just like put it in the fridge, and then maybe in the morning just lay with it on your eyes for a little bit to keep you looking more awake and depuffed. So oh my god, I love this so much. I am kind of obsessed with this. Okay, so the next thing in the spring box is from Murad. This is Skin Perfecting Lotion. This retails for $40. I know Murad is cruelty-free, so that's really exciting. It says on here that this ultralight oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and soothes redness and irritation. This sounds pretty awesome. Let's see how it smells and feels. There's really not much of a fragrance. I think it's probably fragrance-free, which is what I personally really like in my own like skincare regimen, because I get kind of sensitive to skincare products that are really strong. So I am really excited to use this like every day, and it feels so good and light, and I'm sure this would actually be really good underneath makeup too. The next thing in this box is from Rachel Pally. I think it's like a clutch. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, this is cute. It says on here that it is from designer Rachel Pally. These pattern picks are the perfect complement to any outfit, and the best part, they're reversible. Yep, 2 clutches in one. So I guess if you just kind of fold it over to the other side, then it probably just looks like this. This is really cute. This will actually be really good for traveling too, because it's really long, so it actually fits, or looks like it fits a lot. This retails for $60, and it actually comes in 2 other prints. And one of them, I don't know if you could see, it's like a pink and green kind of tropical look, and then the other one is red and orange with florals. So this is really cute. I can't wait to use this. All right, so we have here a lip statement palette from Ish. I believe this is a lipstick palette. It says it retails for $42. It features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. It's enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. Ooh, they feel, oh my gosh, they are so pigmented and they feel really good. I feel like you can actually travel really well with these. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Like, look at how pigmented those are. That's amazing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be bringing this next time I go on vacation, because you can honestly get like any look you want with this, and there's some like really light and really dark colors, and they're extremely pigmented. I think this is a win. I am really excited about this next product in the box because it is a massage roller, which I don't have and I've been wanting for a really long time. This is from the company Physique 57. It is a massage roller that retails for $20. I pretty much always have a sore back at some point throughout the day, so I'm actually really excited to use this. It says that it will relieve sore muscles, break up scar tissue, and you just need to do it for like 5 or 10 minutes a day. And you can also take this when you travel if you tend to get really sore when you have to sit on an airplane, like probably most people do. This does come in a few different colors as well. There's like an orangey red, a gray, and a really pretty light blue, and then of course this purple, which is very pretty. There are still a few things left in this box. The next one is from KNC Beauty. I haven't actually heard of this brand, so I don't really know too much about it, but this is an all-natural collagen infused lip mask. Oh, there's 5 masks in here for your lips. It retails for $24.99. It says this lip mask works to plump and hydrate your delicate lips, infused with collagen, rose flower oil, cherry extract, and vitamin E. This gel textured treatment leaves you with the perfect pout. Oh, and it says to use this before you apply any of the colors from that lip palette too. Here are the actual packs. They're really cute. I'm super curious about this brand because I haven't heard anything about them before, but I do really love masks and like sheet masks, so I'm really excited to try one for my lips because I've never done that before. On the back it says all natural, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances, and no animal testing. The next item in this box looks like it is a candle. This says it retails for $45. I've definitely had this scent in a lotion before from the same brand. This is the Manhattan Beach scent. It also comes in fresh linen or super bloom for the boxes, and they are from Anderson Lily. They're called the Sunset Collection candle, and it is a hand-poured coconut wax candle, and it also has a cotton lead-free wick, so it burns cleaner and you get a really nice fragrance. What I love about candles like this too is that once you're done burning the candle, you can totally use the holder or container, whatever it's in, as something else. Like you could put cute little pens and pencils in it, or makeup brushes, or just whatever you want. So I love this. So cute. There is a little box from Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I hope I said that right. This is the Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. It also has a little cruelty-free symbol on here, which I love seeing. This says it retails for $18, and it keeps your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. And I'm just noticing now, this has an iridescentness to it, and it's actually really beautiful. I also don't even know if iridescentness is a word. It's probably just iridescence, but that's what I said, and it's really pretty. And the very last thing in this box that I see is from Dove. This is a sponsored product for FabFitFun. I don't know if Dove is cruelty-free or not, but this is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. If it's not cruelty-free, I'm not really sure. I will probably be giving it to my mom or my friends, which is what I usually do if I receive anything like that. But everything in this box was amazing. I am so beyond happy with everything in this box. I highly suggest if you're gonna try out the FabFitFun box, definitely start with this one. And I'm really excited to start using everything. And let me know in the comments below what product from this box was your favorite, and if you plan on getting a FabFitFun subscription or if you already are subscribed to them. I would love to know. And of course, thank you again to FabFitFun for continuing to work with me. I am obsessed with the FabFitFun boxes. They are my favorite subscription boxes I've ever tried. And let me know in the comments if you are planning on subscribing to FabFitFun, or maybe you already are. I know a lot of you guys are and that you love it, but if you are planning on it and you want to get the spring box, definitely use my discount code BRIT10 for $10 off your first box. And I hope you are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!